Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate the skies in your iClone 8 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. Right, now this is the iClone 8. The first step, I'm going to just apply a random sky. The sky is at here. Alright. I'm going to apply a random sky, for example this. I just double click and have a look. I press C so that I can rotate it. Right. So now the sky scale is 301. We just remember it's 300. Alright. To rotate it, first I'm going to just rescale it to 50 so that I can see the whole sky. Next, click the rotate Z, click here, and then just scroll your mouse. Now you can see, once you scroll your mouse, it is rotating along the Z axis. Click and just rotate. Of course, you can just direct select and type a number, for example 90 degree. Then now it is already rotated 90 degree. If I here put 180, now the sun is at here. Alright. And once you already finished rotating along the Z axis, don't remember to just scale back to 300. Now you can see the sunset is at here. It is quite easy to rotate any sky in iClone 8 3D animation software. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!